What a day on Wall Street, folks. The bulls came charging in and they did not hold back. The mood is firmly bullish as we close out Wednesday, April 8th, 2026. Let's get right into the numbers. The S&P 500 surged 2.55%, closing at 676. The Nasdaq led the charge, rocketing up nearly 3% to 606. And the Dow Jones wasn't far behind, climbing 2.85% to 479. Across the board, green everywhere you look today. Now let's talk about the Magnificent Seven, because some of these moves are massive. Meta absolutely dominated, exploding 6.5% higher to close at 612.42. That is a monster move for a mega cap stock. Alphabet climbed 3.88% to 317.32. Amazon followed closely, gaining 3.5% to 221.25. Nvidia added 2.23%, finishing at 182.08. And Apple rounded out the top 5, rising 2.13% to 258.90. Big Tech clearly had a very good day. Shifting over to commodities. And here's where it gets really interesting. Oil absolutely cratered today. WTI crude plunged 9.78%, falling to 124.58. That is a massive single-day drop. The catalyst? Reports that President Trump suspended Iran strikes for a 2-week period. That news sent oil tumbling on easing geopolitical tensions. Meanwhile, gold edged up 0.6% to 434.53. Silver had a stronger session, climbing 2.32% to 67.47. Over in crypto, it was a different story entirely. Bitcoin slipped 1.91%, trading around 70,994. Ethereum fell even harder, dropping 3.25% to 2183. Risk on sentiment in equities didn't quite translate to digital assets today. Forex data is unavailable for this session, so we'll skip that and jump to the headlines. Dow futures initially surged 900 points overnight on the Iran suspension news. That momentum carried straight through the trading session. On the energy front, JP Morgan analysts are warning gas prices could breach $5 a gallon. That's if the Strait of Hormuz remains shut for an extended period. So even with oil dropping today, supply concerns are far from over. And in healthcare, United Health and Humana got a nice boost from a favorable Medicare decision. So what a session. Stocks surged, oil collapsed, and crypto pulled back. Watch for any developments on those Iran negotiations over the coming days. Keep an eye on oil prices and whether that Strait of Hormuz situation stabilizes. And monitor those gas price warnings, because consumer spending could feel the pressure fast. That's your market wrap for April 8th. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.